So in the last class, I think we solved few problems based on your super mesh analysis, right? So then I told you how to solve the problems which if it is there on your what? AC analysis. So the difference is what? You need to understand straight away how to go with your Cramer's rule. And next thing is you need to know the conversion between your rectangular to polar and polar to rectangle. So whenever you want to solve such type of problem. So what was the last problem you have given? So how many mesh I gave? Did I give 3 mesh? So there was AC source like this. So resistor. So here it was inductor. Is it got a question?
Yes, sir.
So what is the value of your resistor?
5 ohms, sir.
5, huh? Okay. Inductor 2 J, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this resistor?
4 ohm.
4 ohms, sir.
Capacitor minus 2 J, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have one more resistor here? And AC source. So what is the value of this?
2 ohm.
2 ohms, sir.
And the direction was downwards here.
Yes, sir, downwards.
So
20.25. 0.25, sir.
At an angle?
Minus 66.8.
Okay. So this is what the given thing. That's all, no?
Yes,
And what
sir.
was the question? They asked you to find the current across
4
only
ohm.
mesh analysis across 4 ohm. So across this you need to find the current. So current across this. Okay. So let me repeat the same problem. So as you told you, anyone solved this? I think I've explained. I just asked you to get the determinant. Anyone done? Okay, fine. So let's revise once more, not a problem. See, understand the question carefully. Whenever you find such kind of AC problem, you can see the symbol, right? It's AC. So it is in terms of polar form. So I told you should have two things in mind whenever you want to solve a polar form. So one is go with Cramer's rule, okay? And second thing is you need to know the conversion of your rectangular to polar. So my voice is clear. Any disturbance? Is it fine? Board is visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah. So that is one thing. And second thing is along with your resistor now onwards in AC problem, you will be having your what? Inductor as well as capacitor. Okay. So by looking at the question, how many mesh you have here? How many mesh?
3, sir.
3, sir.
Mesh. So before that, what I told, mark the nodes A, B, C, D, and I can take anywhere E here. Kata, is it fine? Then how many currents?
Yes, sir.
I1, I2, I3. So just think, don't try to implement your determinant concept to find I1 and I3. It is required? No need, right? Straight away I can get delta 2. That is determinant delta 2 and I can get the answer of I2 because the question is we have to find the current across 4 ohm. So don't waste your time by finding I1 and I3 using determinants. Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
clear? If they are not asked you to find the particular current across any RLC element, if they just give solve the mesh current for this particular problem, then only you should solve all the 3 mesh delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. From that I1, I2, I3. But in this particular problem, they specifically asked across 4 ohm. So our concentration should be only on mesh 2. Mesh 1 and mesh 3, no need to apply your determinant logic I am telling. Am I clear? Everyone, is it fine? Am I clear here what I told?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now according to that, we will stick on to our mesh analysis. We need to write all the three meshes equation. Okay. While solving, you give more importance for second mesh. Only find delta and delta 2. That is what the thing you should do in this type of problem. Okay. So now what is a mesh 1? So mesh 1, I can tell it as A, B, E and A. So I told starting point, ending point should be same. So now tell me the equation here. Equation minus pi I1
minus 2j
minus 2j,
I1 minus I2.
correct. Then here arrow mark I told tail indicates negative, head indicates positive. So the flow is from minus to plus. So it should be what? Plus
Yes, sir.
So is it what? Equal to 0? Okay. If we simplify this further, you can get I1 from this. So you can write minus 5 I1 minus 2j into I1 minus 2j I2 is equals to minus 50 at an angle 0. So is it what your first equation? Is it what the first equation? Am I
Sir,
clear?
it is minus 5, sir.
Where, yeah? I've done minus 5 only. Minus 5 only, no? I've just taken I1 common, that's it. Only minus 5 and okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, yeah, good. So it's minus 5 minus 2j, I1 is common. Correct, appa?
Plus 2j.
Yes, sir.
Plus
Where you get
2j.
plus? Yeah, plus, yes. Minus, minus, you get plus 2j I2. So this is equation number 1. Good. So equation number 2, where wrong? Mesh 2 adappa between B, C, E and B. So starting point, ending point should be same. Yeah, Trace, tell me the equation. So I think board is
Minus
visible,
4
right? Yeah, minus 4
I2.
I2. So here I told minus of minus 2j. Kata, because value of the capacitor is negative, so you should take minus of minus 2j. Is it visible what I'm writing downwards? Everyone? So minus of minus 2j. So across this, how many currents are flowing? 2 currents. So you should write it as
I2 minus I3.
good. I2 minus I3. Then again here minus 2j.
I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1 equal to 0. Okay. So simplify this and tell me what is the answer. So you'll get plus here. So I2, I'll write here minus 4 I2 plus 2j I2. And here you have one more minus 2j I2. So this to get cancelled? Yes or no? Correct na yaar? Yeah, water out, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So is it how it looks? So I can take the things common here. So if you write here,
Minus 2j I3, sir.
No
Minus
comment, sir.
2j.
Pardon?
Minus 2j I3.
Minus 2j I3.
sir.
Okay, yeah. So minus 2j. No, what I did, no, I did less. Minus only, correct. Yeah. So 2j I1, then minus 4 I2, then minus 2j I3. That's all. Is it equation number 2? So is it visible clearly what I wrote at the downside? Everyone, is it
Yes,
visible?
sir.
Okay. So any doubts with this equation number 1 and 2? How to apply for AC analysis problem? See, everything is same. Only thing we should remember is you have to go default with Cramer's rule. That's all. So am I done till here? Everyone? Any doubts still? Shall we go with next mesh 3? Mesh 3 Adapa. Mesh 3. This
Sir, C, sir.
D. I can take E here also, it's same only. I can end with C, not a problem. So no problem. Okay. Yeah. If I say E, it is understood it is there here also. You can write EC also, not a problem. Many of it is wire connection. This is common ground line point. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Minus 2 I3
Minus 2 I3
plus 26.25 at an angle.
So this minus, if I take out, it become minus here.
So it's plus only, no, sir.
Here minus is
It's
there.
minus
inside
to plus, sir. It's from
Yeah.
minus to plus. It's from minus to plus, sir. So
Minus to
plus,
plus is what?
plus only.
Plus correct, no. But here
Yes.
minus 66 point something is there. I'm taking, I will take that out.
Oh. Okay,
Can
sir.
I?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So this becomes minus 26.25 at an angle 66.8. I will make this as positive. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
proceed. Then left out is again minus of minus become plus 2j I3 minus I2 equal to 0. That's all. Is it correct what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is simplified for this? So it look like I1 is not there. So 2j minus 2j I2 and if I take plus common here, it's minus 2 plus 2j I3. Sarinappa? Is it correct? Is equals to 26.25 at an angle 66.8. So is it equation number 3? Is it correct what I wrote? Everyone, is it fine? Equation number 3, correct and wrong? Yeah, I'm asking you people only.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Correct,
fine?
sir.
Okay. So now
Yes.
what I told, our agenda is to find I2. So whenever they ask specifically across this, so don't waste your time by finding all. That is what I told. If they didn't give like that, then you can find using delta 1 and delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. But now across forum they have asked, so our agenda should be only finding I2. So I should find I2. So I2 formula in Rupa. How can I find I2? It says
Delta 2 by delta,
delta
sir.
2 by delta. So this is the only term I want you to find. That's it. Correct? So let's find delta first. So delta value I don't. So what I told delta. So you
So
need to write all
minus,
the I1
5.
in the first column. So we'll use the bracket minus 5 minus 2j. Then you have 2j here. Then I3 is not there, so it is 0. From equation number 1. Equation number 2. So it's 2j. Then minus 4. Then minus 2j. Saina? And last equation I1 is not there, so 0. So this becomes minus 2j and this is minus 2 plus 2j. So this is what the thing we left out. So now tell me what is the answer of delta? Find delta. So this term into this 2 minus of this 2. I hope you remember this, right? Logic. How to find determinants for 3 cross 3? Everyone. So just show you one
Minus
equation.
8.
Yeah,
Sir,
what's the answer you got?
minus 84 plus 24j, sir. Minus 84,
84 plus
24j, sir.
good 24j. So this is your
So once you tell that logic, sir.
yeah one set I will tell. So this is your delta. Just a minute, just hold on. Yeah. So you want how to get this right? So everyone got the answer as your friend told. It's minus 84 plus 24j. So let me erase this part and tell you. See what I told. Whenever you want to project this, determinant logic you should know. I hope everyone remember this. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Do you remember this? Yes or no, yeah?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this logic you should implement there. That's all, nothing else. So what you should do? I need to take, look at here. So this is the first element, right? So if we find delta, first element is minus 5 minus 2j. So this into, you need to cross multiply this two, minus of this two. Sarina, am I correct? Yes or no? So keep the first term, then you use the brackets. So write minus 4 into minus 2 plus 2j. That is first term. Then it says minus. Okay. In the bracket you can write minus 2j into minus 2j. So is it what the terms we have to consider for the first determinant? Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So you just
Yes, sir.
multiply this. You just multiply this term and check out what your friend told. Is it matching? Just multiply this. So this becomes 4.
Yes, sir.
2 is 8 minus
Yes, sir.
8j. Then minus minus become plus, and we know j square is equal to how much?
Minus 1.
Minus
Minus 1.
Whenever you find, you dump it as minus 1. So here what will happen? Just check out. This is like 4j square, and this minus minus become plus. Sorry na? So 4j square, again minus will come. It is like minus 4 here. Sorry and draw. Minus of minus become plus 4. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood? So this term you multiply for this and check out, is it your delta? Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. So now what is next thing you want? No need to find delta 1 and delta 3 here, since we need to find only across 4 ohm. Straight away you can find your delta 2 I told. If it is not asked, you have to find everything. Okay. So to find delta 2, what is the procedure here? So what I told, replace second column with your constant terms. Okay. So it means the first column remains same. So 2j 0. Yeah. What is the constant term? Constant term.
50 at an angle 0.
50 at an angle 0. Then second term is 0, I think, right?
0. Yes, sir.
And last is
Minus 26.25
at an
at
angle
an angle
66.
66.8. sir.
Okay, fine. And next is 0 minus 2j minus 2 plus 2j. Say I'm writing for one problem. So next time onwards, I want you to solve this. So I hope if you have any doubts, clear it out now only. So you got to find delta 1, first column should be replaced with constant. To find delta 2, second column in your delta should be replaced with the constant. So in the delta 3, the last column. So since we want only delta 2, I told you to remove the first elements present in your second column, replace with constant. So now same procedure. So take this element, see, look at here, any of 0 is there. If you multiply this 2, becomes 0 only. Cut up. Then again, this 2, check out what is the answer. What is delta 2 answer? Multiply the terms. See, I told clearly, whenever polar is there, rectangular is there, you can't do multiplication. So what I want to do? Look at here. Any of this into this is 0. So minus of minus 2j into this is in terms of polar form. What you should do now?
Convert into it.
You can convert this. See, if you can do things in two ways. If you are doing in your Calci complex mode, then convert this polar to rectangle. Then you can do the multiplication easily in complex mode of calculator. Okay. But according to logic of polar and rectangular, multiplication, division can be done using polar form. Addition, subtraction can be done using rectangular form. Correct? So since this is polar form, we have to do multiplication means what? I need to convert this minus 2j into polar form. Then I can do multiplication easily. So for your simplicity, better you convert this minus 26 polar to rectangle use complex mode in Calci, get the answer directly. Am I clear? Am I clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what is the answer you got here? Delta 2?
Yes, sir.
399 minus 0.6J.
You will get answer for delta 2. 399 Bharatappa.
Sir, I think so. Zero, sir.
Yeah, you will get 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
0.
sir. I think so.
Then someone told 399 something. Just check out. You will get answer as 0.
Right.
Since
2
you
is
have
also 0, sir.
you can see here. This is called your diagonal element, right? So everything is 0. So obviously you have to get answer as 0. So I hope you remember determinant concept. So you got 0, you just multiply and check out. Don't worry about this rule and all. You just do normal multiplication and check out. So everyone got 0 as answer? Everyone got 0 as answer? Yes or no, yaar? Yeah? Is it done?
So then I2 will also be 0, no, sir?
Yes. Current is 0. It means the middle part is open path. There is no connection from first mesh to second mesh. So there is no flow of current takes place across 4 ohm. That is the meaning. So before that, let me conclude. Is it D delta 2 everyone got 0? Is it fine till there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So once you got that, so you have go back to your formula to find I2. So delta 2 is 0. So divided by your minus 84.24J is what you got. So you can tell 0. So it means you need to make a sentence. Since the current is 0, the current flowing across 4 ohm is also 0. So that conclusion also carries 1 marks. If it is a 10 marks question, conclusion carries 1 marks. You should not ask why we didn't get full marks. Each step carries marks in the exam. That is called scheme of evaluation. So how you started? In the same way, conclude the problem with a statement. So I hope everyone understood the problem of AC analysis now. Am I clear? Am I clear? Yeah? Is it fine here to everyone?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you explain delta 2 again, sir?
Delta 2? Delta 2, you got answer or not?
Sir, I'm facing difficulties in calculation, sir.
Okay, let me repeat that. Okay, listen, Bharat. So you got delta?
Yes, sir.
So no problem finding delta. Okay, na?
No problem, sir.
Okay, so let's go with delta 2. Let me explain this. Let's check out how we got 0. So first term is this. Keep it first term. Minus 5 minus 2j. So first term as it is. Okay. Then rule says this into this. Is it visible? So 0 into this. Nothing but 0. Okay, na? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So that you can write directly 0. So symbol is minus, keep minus as it is. Don't worry about that plus minus. We have to subtract each other. That's it. Okay. Minus of what? I need to multiply this 2. I need to multiply minus 2j and one more term is minus 26.6 at an angle 66.8. So this 2 you should do multiplication. So what I told, you can proceed this in 2 ways I told. If you want to do a normal logical wise of polar form, convert this minus 2j to polar form, do multiplication. Or you convert this polar form into rectangular and multiply in complex mode I told. Correct? So what is the equivalent of this in rectangular? Answer? Yeah, others. What is minus 26.6 at an angle? Yeshta Bharat helappa neene. The rectangle, tell me what is the answer? How much you got?
ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್
One?
ತಗೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ.
Mute mode Akash. You are listening to class or you are roaming outside? Yeah. Yeah, what is the conversion of this, yeah? See, still
Sir, I'm
I
in
wrote
class.
only one. How much? How much, yeah? You have calcium with you. I asked you to get the polar to rectangular form of this.
Sir,
How
it is
much?
coming as math error, sir.
Math error. Why you get math error, yeah? How you are doing? You are converting what to what, that is important. You are converting polar to rectangular. So what you are pressing in your calci? Shift with plus symbol or minus symbol. See what form you want, that should be replica in there. You should get REC in the bracket. You need to enter these values. No one has got this?
Sir, 10.34 minus
10.34 minus,
no 24.12J.
just check out Bharat, is it fine?
Sir, but this value is for plus 26.6 at an angle of minus 66.8, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
no
sir. For
problem.
minus 26, it will not come, sir.
You take this, see, we know that real part negative won't be there, right? That's why it is taking like that. You can take negative for this also, not a problem. Minus 67 ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ Bharat? Are you getting for minus 66 in the calci?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. No
Yes,
problem.
sir.
See, this is like
Yes,
the
sir.
real term followed by the magnitude angle, right? So you can take angle as negative and just check out. So you got this much, no? So this answer
Yes, sir.
you can
Now I got,
multiply with your 2j and that answer with this. So this is one part. Still having one part. See here? I multiplied this too. Similarly, I should go with this now. Sorry now?
Yes, sir.
So that time you should remember this plus symbol minus. So it says minus tanapa. So this complete is one category. Okay. Continue. Minus 50 at an angle 0. So if you want this means what I should do? I need to multiply this 2j with this and this 0 with this. Karta.
Yes, sir.
So it means this 2j, I'm going to multiply 2j with minus 2 plus 2j. So remaining term 0 aitappa. Is it like minus 0?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine
Yes,
till
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
So no need to go and find third term, right? It is 0 only. So straight away I can write plus 0. Artha aita ivaga?
Yes, sir.
So now if you simplify this, check out final answer 0 bartidiya anta kelda. Just multiply the things, everything now. Here also again same thing. Convert this polar to rectangle so that it will be easy for you to do multiplication. See, you need to do practice. You need to write as much as steps and many problems, at least 3 to 4 on one topic. Then you'll get an idea. By listening, you can't judge the mistakes or the doubts. Dump on the paper once. So like your friend is asking doubt, I want everyone to clear out doubts here. So everyone got how to write the steps first of all, how to do multiplication of determinants. If you know that much, simple mathematics calculation is left out. So only hint I told, convert this polar to rectangle and use complex mode in calci to get the answer. So after solving, are you getting answer as 0? Bharat, ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇನ್ನು?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it and check out and tell me is it equal to 0. Understand one problem carefully here, everyone. So if you remember one method, try to write on the paper. If you get doubt, you can ask me. So still anybody have doubt with this? If you have doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll move on to next one. Is it done? Bold is visible here clearly. Bold constant raw. Is it done? Finished, everyone? Over here. Shall we move on to next one?
Yes, sir.
Bharat, aitappa? Check ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅದನ್ನ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go with the next one. See, the question is same. There is slight change in the same question. If you come across such kind of problems, how to solve? Just look at the question. Will repeat again. So AC source, same question. Okay. So 50 at an angle 0, and the value of this, how much it told? 5. This is 5, and there is an inductor of 2J. So 4 ohm followed by capacitor of minus 2J, and one more resistor with your value. So they have asked you to find V2 now. So look at the question carefully. So what is the last resistor value? 2, huh? Okay. So this is what the thing they are given. Okay, look at the question now. Is it like same previous one? Is it visible here what I have written? Any brightness is there? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ blur ಆಗಿದೆ sir.
Okay, I think its power went off. I'll just try to open the door. Is it fine now? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ? Is it visible here? Question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Just make a note of the question now. See, it looked like previous problem. They have asked you to find V2. Just write on the question. So the question says, for the network shown below, or above, whatever you want to write, obtain V2, obtain voltage 2. So V2 is here. So obtain V2, which results in zero current, through 4 ohm resistor, using mesh analysis. So I told, read the question completely, whether it is mesh analysis, nodal analysis, source transformation, or star delta. So different techniques what you're going to learn in this first module. Read the question fully, then try to write the question and answer. Okay. So you got the question, written the question here. You want me to repeat? Is it fine till here? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully, everyone. See, this is like previous problem only. See, you already got to know what was V2 answer, right? 26 point something. So, but direction is reversed now. Just check out. Plus minus is given towards upside. Correct? That is the one change from the previous category. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So in the previous problem, you already proved that the current across 4 ohm is 0. The same thing has been given here. So only change is what? They will ask you to find the voltage. See, either they can ask this side or this side, whichever side they ask. Stick on to the procedure what I am going to teach you now. Okay. So you got the question first of all. So since the current across 4 ohm is 0, this looks like a open circuit. This part. Agree? Agree, yaar?
Yes, sir.
So then I can mark this as one node and this as one node. I will write as VA and VB. Since V1, V2 are given the question, so let me designate some other name, VA and VB. So since this is open path, so this is one node voltage, this is one node voltage. Because if I take this here, same thing will come. If I take this here, same thing will come. So you're not supposed to take this voltage node here. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So till here, any doubts, anyone? First thing is, you need to understand the question. I should find the voltage 2 across the third mesh. And second logic they are given is, the current across 4 ohm is 0. It means that gone. It become open path. So then I designated 2 voltage separately, VA and VB. Till here, any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now listen here. Listen. So we will stick on to our procedure. So you will be having I1, so I2, I3. So do you want to apply mesh analysis for I2? Do you want to apply mesh analysis for I2?
Not required, sir.
No need,
No,
right?
sir.
Since it is already given, no need. So straight away we'll go with mesh number 1. So apply mesh 1 analysis and tell me what is the equation. -5 I1, and here what you write now? You will write -2 I1 minus I2 ಬರೀತೀರಾ?
No, sir. Only I1.
No need. If you write also I2 is 0, you will waste time. So instead of that, straight away write -2j I1. Okay, na? So -2 plus means plus. So I will push that towards that side. It become -50 at an angle 0 degree. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
from
sir.
this two I can take I1 common. So how it looks? -5 -2j into I1. This is equals to -50 at an angle 0 degree. So from this can I write I1 equals to what? -50 at an angle 0 whole divided by -5 -2j. Sarendra?
Yes, sir.
So you simplify this and tell me answer here itself. What is I1? So just convert that -50 to your rectangle and use your calcium complex mode. Divide it and tell me what is the answer.
So 9.28
9.28
at an angle -21.807. 801, sir.
in terms of polar form. Okay. At an angle -20.
21.801
Okay.
amperes.
Can anyone tell me rectangle answer for this? So your friend has converted the denominator to polar form and he has done the
8.621.
pardon, how much?
8.621
8.621
minus 3.44 J, sir.
minus 3.44 J. So you just verify yourself. So whatever the thing I have written in rectangle, if I convert back, is it what the polar form answer? Is it what the polar form answer? Is it matching? Is it matching here? Yeah. Is it fine? Shall we proceed? Correct and roll your go. Yeah, those who told the answer as 9.28 an angle. So just convert it. Is it rectangle answer is matching? What, Jayant? Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed then?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
So any doubts anyone till here? So what I did, I made analysis of mesh 1, I done. So do you want me to apply mesh 2 also?
No, sir. Not required.
No need. So straight away we'll go to mesh 3. So mesh 3 elder equation
-2 I3
2 I3 plus 2 minus
V2.
Yes. So
Mine-
be careful. You need to write V2 only because you don't answer now. That is what we should find. Then
Minus of minus J2.
Minus of
minus of
2J.
minus
2J.
2j I 3
2.
equal to 0. Fair enough. So
Yes.
from this I can write -2, 3. This becomes minus V2 as it is. So plus 2j I3 equal to 0. So from this what is I3 common I can take? So I can take -2 and plus 2j common. This into I3 is equals to V2. Sarinappa? Am I correct what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So from this I can write what is I3 equals to now? V2 divided by minus 2 plus 2j. So is it what your I3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Anyone till here? Am I clear? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. See, I need to find V2 where I don't know I3 also, where I don't know my I1 also. I1 is known. Okay. But in this equation, there is no I1. Or I can't write I3 in terms of I1 and substitute here and get the answer of V2. Am I correct? Out of 3, 1 is known, 2 are unknown. If 2 are known, I could have calculated 1 remaining. Agree? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So for that purpose, we have to check out the VA and VB. So across VA, 2J inductor is there. Across VB, minus 2J capacitor is there. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So since the current across 4 ohm is 0, can I write VA is equal to VB? Can I? See, we need to find V2. For this, we need to make an assumption that we are making assumption that both voltages are equal. We are making assumption. Is it done? Understood till there?
Yes, sir.
See, since two unknowns are there, we have to do some assumption. That assumption I made as VA is equal to VB. So now I want to write voltage in terms of what? Ohm's law.
V is
What
equal
will write? In terms
Is
of
equal to
current into resistor. So now tell me, across VA, your value of resistor is 2J, and what current is flowing there?
I1 current is flowing, sir.
I1. Good. So can I write this VA as 2J into I1? Bari bada. Can
Yes,
I?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So similarly, can you tell me what is VB equals now?
Minus 2J into I3.
Good. See why minus? Because value of capacitor is minus. So this is minus 2J I3. Any doubts? Anyone till here? Any doubts? Anyone till here? Yeah. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. See, this is what we things we used to write. But look at the network clearly. I1 is flowing in this direction. I3 is flowing in this direction. Is it matching opposite way or same way? Both are in opposite direction.
Opposite, sir.
Opposite
So
direction.
then what you should do? You should take minus of this. Agree? Agree. If both are matching in same direction, I can write the thing what you wrote earlier. But one is coming in this way, one is going in this way. So both are reverse, opposite to each other.
Yes, sir.
So that's why I have chosen minus of minus 2J I3. So any doubts? Anyone till here? So if you want, you can just make a note. This negative symbol what I wrote outside, this is because your I3 and I1 are opposite to each other. Am I clear till here? Shall I proceed?
Yes.
Everyone, is it fine?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now we have to solve V2. So can I substitute what is I1 and I3 we solved in this equation? Correct now? Can I substitute I1 and I3 in this equation? Can I?
Yes, sir.
So substitute
Yes, sir.
I1 here. So it says 2J. So if I write the terms what it told in rectangular, it is 8.62 minus 3.44J into I1. Sorry, into not I1, that itself is I1, correct? That is equals to, so minus of minus become plus. Sarinappa. So 2J into what is I3? It says V2 by minus 2 plus 2J. Okay. So if we simplify this, do we get the answer of V2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You got the logic now, everyone. See, the things which was looking like impossible, by making some assumption that VA is equal to VB. So this condition applied only when the current across this is 0. If the current is there, you can't tell VA is equal to VB and make assumption, get the answer. Okay. So that is the only thing you should remember. Why I made this? To make the things simpler and to get the answer of V2 easily. So now tell me what is answer of V2 from this? Yeah. Just do cross multiplication. You can see this 2j get cancelled. Cancel everything raw. Can I cancel this 2j and this 2j?
Yes, sir.
So what is left out? This and this. So just cross multiply and tell me what is V2 equals to. What is V2? Again, same thing. You can get the answer directly in your calci. Estapa?
So 26.26, sir.
26.26. Okay, telling in polar form. Okay, angle?
112.98.
Okay, 112.98. So if it is in rectangle, what's the answer?
Minus 10.362
10.36
plus 24.122I.
Okay, J. So see, you can write the answer in rectangular form also, but why we want to conclude in polar form? Can anyone tell me? Why we written the answer of V2 in terms of polar form? Why I can't replace the thing as it is in rectangular form?
Sir, the other.
We want to know the magnitude, sir.
The question was given one in terms of polar form. Correct, Andrew? Look at here. One is in terms of polar form. So we want other also be in terms of polar form. That's all, nothing else. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you got the difference between your previous to this problem. See, earlier some 66 point something was there here. Correct, Andrew? Angular?
Yes, sir.
And I think you got negative symbol also. But here you can make a difference from previous to this. So I hope everyone understood the logic, what I told you to solve such type of AC problems. Any doubts? Anyone means you can ask. Is that fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now we'll stop here. Just hold on. See, I told you there will be a presentation from next week onwards. You told from next Wednesday will start. Correct? So for that I need to allocate topic, right? Yes or no? So
Yes,
we pick 8 to 10 students. So question I will display. You just make a note. So I will give 2 problems for each student. So whether you want to present in a PPT or in the written sheets and explain, anything is fine for me. Because network subject, you can't do any presentation type because it's a problematic subject, right? If you want, you can add application of that in the real world. That will be your extra thing you can add in your presentation. Okay. But majority thing, you should understand the problem with step-by-step explanation, how we are used to give you, same way want to present. Okay. So for that, let me allot the titles for you. Just hold on.